Love it. Asikhulume ngale ngoma nje yasenza bhizinyana.
Yeah.
La ku December nje maqala festive. Imama.
Oh mama.
Imama.
Mama.
I thought it's a song that was inspired by your late mom.
Yeah, nah. Phela thina as amaZulu kwalento yethu sithi mama.
Oh yeah. So it's a love song.
Yeah.
Mama baby.
Yeah, like nje is basically approach umama ngithi mama uzohlala nami mama.
Plus like Goli yazi ukuthi wathanda kanjani amaZulu ke masifika. Phela akekho umuntu oshela njengomZulu guys, let me tell you. Akekho umuntu who's good at sharing njengamaZulu. Uzokumelthisa adlale ngamagama. Angazi nokuthi mabekhula bakhuliswa ngokuthi kuthiwe ayidlula intombazana kuyichila ukudlula intombazana emgaqweni noma nje ubeka amabili amathathu noma ungamthandi nje awukwenza intombazana ibe ne confidence. I don't know if you are told that, but ninamaZulu.
Yeah, that's true, that's true, but we're not told. I think this is a culture.
Yeah,
like thina nje back in the days ake siphume sigcwale lokishi sizoshela.
Yeah, nje
ubuye ushela mhlawumbe 4 what mhlawumbe uzayike zoqoma kodwa I think lo ma exercises lawo iwona ukuthi mhlawumbe amaZulu kube ngathi manje they
yeah. I love it. Yeah. So how has it been a journey, because I know ukuthi right now Umama, it's one of the songs as the
doing very good.
Yes. What are the projects that you're working on right now?
Yeah, we just started to release a music video, Mama, which is dope music video. Go check it out. See on some few channels. So go check it out on YouTube.
Yeah.
We page Tibo Mama so it's the Sunday we keep her.
Yes.
But we locked in the studio right now. We cooking up a single.
Yes.
It's a Puma soon. It's on Patela Corner, one of your favorites.
Favorite.
Yeah, but we mention so just follow us on social media. What's
happening?
What's gonna happen? Yeah.
While you're still on that, can you please give us my social platforms?
Social media is Tibo SA across all platforms. That's TBOE then SA across all platforms. Now go Spotify and you can stream my music as Tibo SA. Also iTunes, every range. Then and also check out the guys who are managing me, Reason Nation Records across all
Reason Nation.
Yeah.
Nizwile ngu TBOE SA.
Yes.
Uzo zonke indawo.
So even for bookings as well, you see that you can DM me or DM the Reason Nation guys. Yeah, so
okay. Uyabhukiwe kubuti. Seka-performile already na 25 days.
Yeah.
Ngenxa ye Reason Nation ne talent lakhe mhlawumbe wena uhleli lapha ekhaya kade ungasathola ama gig and all that. I'm telling you, these people can do it for you guys. Ufikile ke ubhuti waseThekwini lana, angazi ngoba abantu baseThekwini bathanda igqom and yena but I don't think you too much hyped kwigqom wena, but you do a bit of igqom.
Ngiyalithanda igqom, isikhule ngalo.
So no, what I'm saying is when I go music wakho, I don't think you have a lot of you didn't spice it up ngayo kakhulu.
Yeah, it's I was saying mina engilenza le type epela ngilenza, I have two types.
Okay.
Eli scoop is a mixture of amapiano and khona this gqom rhythm kuyona, so you can so izokwazi ukuresonate everywhere. So and then masuba khona this soulful stuff like I wanna did uthando lakho. Yeah, so shaya
ama vocals lapha.
No, mina like yacabanga ukuthi Reason Nation yangifundisa ukucula.
Oh, Reason can sing ne? Ngibona izolo. Bro, I was like, what is he doing with this talent? Yazi abantu ufuna ngavela umshaya ngempama nje.
He's gonna kill me for this, but sike bambiza uSoprano.
Yeah. Yazi why phela amazulu abathi ngafa unale voice
It's too much. Too much. Engomeni usuke khona ukuthi animuzo usuhamba ngaphansi ama backup phela umuntu wabhayana since akafuni indaba za camera.
Love it.
But yeah.
I always have this curious question, because I think a reason that I decided ukuthi ngiyifake kuma question it's because of ngengaba kuyona nami lo journey leyo.
Yeah.
If you were to go back kunduduzo asimiye uTibo, what is one outstanding thing that you would go back kunduduzo ufike umnikeze hug xolise kuyena and promise to make it up to him?
That one thing engathi nje ngibuye ngihlaphe ngithi ngifisa uyilungisa
kuye umhagele yona uthi ngiyaxolisa, I know I fumbled you but I'm gonna make it right today.
doubting myself, yeah, like doubting myself, like you see, when it come even to ngiyakubona nje music na even empilweni,
Yeah.
We get easily intimidated by kubona umuntu ocabanga ukuthi ungcono kunawe.
Yeah.
But ke egcineni uyasho no J Cole with love yours.
Love
Even
yours.
ukhula ubona we intimidated by intwana esuka lapha ekhaya right.
Yeah.
And they take it right on just khathi and yabo yakunika lo intimidation kanti it's not about izinto ama materials. Na it's all in here, yabo. Abantu they fall in love with the person. Yabo. Yeah, abantu they resonate, they respect with the muntu so mina nje I would say ngibuyele back ukuthi kuba intimidated, we doubt ukhona space sabantu obonela ukuthi bantswembu ungacabanga ukuthi wena you less, now you have a space.
You do.
Yeah, so that's why I would say even till this day kuyasifikela phela lokho ukuthi
Yes. Ubani. Yes. Yeah.
Oh mina ngilapha ngeke no mina yosibanibani tonto.
Yeah.
Kanti everything nje yakho, just if you put your focus, your mind on it.
Definitely.
So never doubt yourself, but get allowed to grow. No, abantu bayi mistake lento ukuthi umuntu engathi akayidoubt kanti use too confident,
uzboxile, arrogant
kanti phela iba confident kodwa manje ubuye ngane so that uzokwazi ukuqoqeka ufundise ulale because uba uzofuna ukumanage wena utshele ukuthi nje wena.
You know what they say apply what you've learned lately. So when you've learned something lately, it means that you are always open to learn.
Yeah.
So they say practice and apply what you've learned lately.
Yeah. So
I love that. Do you believe in love?
Love, yeah, I believe in love. There's a lot of love out there. Yeah.
Are you in love?
I think yonke siphilelayo like to take if nje uyibuka mayinaza indaba zokuthi kumele ube ne shelter kuwena, mayinaza ukuthi kumele ulale udlile, mayinaza izonke lezi izinto, but into eningi meaning life is the people around you. It can be family, can be friends, can be romantic, so if nje ulonely ungahlala kwimention uhamba ngemoto entswembu kodwa if
bitter and empty
ube empty ngoba akekho umuntu ushare nayo izinto. So I would say nje uthando iyona kahle into esiphilelayo, into ekumele sifocus kakhulu kuyona, then ukuphusha nje impilo uhlanza imali nani because uthando abantu being uba nabantu abakuthanda where you belong, feeling like you belong, ayikho feeling edlula leyo. So